In this lecture, we will initialize a Vite React TypeScript project. We can do this very easy. I'm inside an empty directory and I want to initialize my project directly inside this folder. For this, I will call npm create Vite at latest. And since I want to initialize this project inside this folder, I will also point a /. If you want to initialize it in a separate folder, you can omit this /. It will tell me that it needs to install the create Vite. Yes, that's alright. I will, since this is not an empty directory, it doesn't really matter. I will call ignore files and continue. I will give it a package name. This is looks alright. I want this to be a React with TypeScript project. That's great. This is the project, and since Vite will also initialize a lot of files, I don't really want them. So let me make some room right here. I don't want this assets folder. I don't want to emphasize on CSS, so I will delete this. I will delete the index.css. Inside the main entry, I will remove the strict mode and remove the CSS reference. And inside the app, I will also remove everything and simply return something static for the moment. All I'm doing right here is print a hello. And of course, in order for the application to work, I need to call npm install. Alright, the dependencies were installed. Let's check it. And in order to start this project, we can simply call npm run dev. npm run dev. And let me open this inside a browser. And yes, the browser looks alright. So our initial Vite create project worked just fine. In the next lecture, I will initialize the testing environment for Vitest. And in the next lecture, I will do the same for Jest. So for the next lectures, you can choose your testing framework. If you prefer Vitest, look at the next lecture. Otherwise, if you prefer Jest, look at the next lecture.